Hi guys, I'm gonna talk about Tere Ishq Mein, the trailer. Yeah, Dhanush stars Dhanush, the Tamil actor, famous actor, and Kriti Sanan. So it's a revenge, love, drama, directed by Anand L. Rai, who made Ranjana. And yeah, the trailer is brilliant. Has the emotional when Dhanush is in the Air Force, where he has that uniform. Yeah, the way he played the role is brilliant. And where he says मैं दिल्ली को फूक दूंगा आग लगा देगा वो dialogue. And when Kriti Sanan, he gets Kriti Sanan's hand, slaps himself. That's brilliant. That's he tells he's heartbroken, and he is obsessed. Revenge kind of drama, this kind of love story. So absolutely fantastic where he smokes and spits the smoke, and where he speaks that dialogue at the end, वो बहनचोद, that kind of dialogue, and he speaks that दिल्ली को फूक दूंगा, दिल्ली को आग लगा दूंगा. That was brilliant, absolutely outstanding. Paisa Vasool trailer, and plus the music is by A.R. Rahman Saab's music. When the music plays at the background and the title track plays, Tere Ishq Mein, absolutely brilliant. I love this kind of music. It's a Paisa Vasool, superb, fantastic blockbuster trailer. Yes, I loved it. And where Kriti Sanan falls for him, you can see the obsession of Dhanush's eyes and the way his swag, his style. He just nailed it with the trailer. Yeah, he just nailed it. His looks are awesome. He's a fantastic actor. And I remember Ranjana came out in 2013. L.R. Rai made that film as well. I think he returned with this film called Tere Ishq Mein. Absolutely fantastic. I have loved it. Loved the trailer. When that dialogue delivery comes and where he speaks, where he sets the things on fire, he really meant it. He has that obsession, that revenge in his eyes, that aura in his eyes, what he does in the trailer. They're both looking brilliant together. Kriti Sanan as well, and Dhanush, both looking amazing with the chemistry and the dialogue delivery and the bhenjo when he speaks at the end. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. He just nailed it, Dhanush. He's just nailed it with this trailer. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Dilli ko aag laga dunga, that kind of feeling he had. Dilli ko phuk dunga. That's the way he delivers on a bank. For me, it just worked for me, this trailer. Yeah, the film will be hitting in theaters on 28 November. 28 November को picture आएगी अगले Friday को. So it's be a पैसा वसूल entertaining revenge love story. Absolutely, it's fantastic. It's a winner. It's a winner for me. 4 out of 5. Dhanush is looking outstanding. The way he portrays his character, his looks. He's in the Air Force as well. Absolutely fantastic. The way he smokes, he spits, and he sets on flames. Remind of Kabir Singh in 2019. It was similar to vibes of that Kabir Singh, but Kabir Singh was a different film. That had adult and the love story that was A-rated. So absolutely fantastic. The music is looking promising as well with that music plays at the start, the tuning and the Tere Ishq Mein title track. Absolutely fantastic. So I liked it and I loved the trailer. Like I said, Dhanush is looking promising with his character. He's looking promising. Where he's cigarette पीता है, जो फूकता है, दिल्ली को आग लगाता है. I just nailed it for me. And जो Kriti Sanan उसको ठप्पी मारते हैं ऐसे, slaps himself like this. वो भी scene अच्छा है. Kriti Sanan is looking promising as well. Yeah, last we seen her in Crew and Dopatti, which I need to see. That came out in OTT. Then she was seen in Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Ulja Jiya. Was a decent, good film for me. I enjoyed. Yeah, so 4 out of 5 for Tere Ishq Mein. Yeah, absolutely. Paisa Vasool trailer is a blockbuster trailer. Fantastic Dhanush, fantastic Kriti Sanon. It's one of my favorite actors. So she's brilliant. I wish I can do that kind of drama action. Fire everything on the place. You don't like, you burn everything. It's imagination, isn't it? It's just imagination. When you go obsessed with someone, when you hurt, heartbroken, like a ashik, you want to call it. So it's that kind of feeling it gives to the trailer. Absolutely fantastic. Dhanush, absolutely fantastic. He nailed it, and he will nail it with this film when this film releases. Sure be a super hit Paisa Vasool blockbuster. In my eyes, I see it. So Tere Ishq Mein is looking very fantastic, very promising, and the music and the way Dhanush looks, his swag and style, ekdam badhiya. I liked it. I just liked it. That's what we want as an actor, to perform at the box office, and he will perform with this film. Definitely, he will perform. He will perform. Yeah. So 4 out of 5 for Tere Ishq Mein, and plus that tuning and the music, the title track is brilliant. That's what we need in Bollywood. Successful songs, successful music. A.R. Rahman is a legend. A.R. Rahman Saab is brilliant. So, yes, absolutely fantastic. As a blockbuster Paisa Vasool trailer, like I said, absolutely that intensity he has in his eyes. Dhanush, you can see he's heartbroken. Something happened to him that badly that he's doing these things. There's a reason behind it. So, absolutely fantastic Dhanush. He's brilliant star, brilliant actor he is. Plus Kriti Sanon is another super gorgeous actress from Bollywood. So, yeah, 4 out of 5 from my side for the trailer. Tere Ishq Mein. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So, yeah, that was my reaction for Tere Ishq Mein. Just watched the trailer yesterday. Paisa Vasool ekdam badhiya. Absolutely win my heart. So 4 out of 5 from me for the trailer Tere Ishq Mein. So yeah, there you go, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Stay safe, play safe. Bye.